Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried dukunu. In my last video, I showed you how to make the dukunu. Now I'm going to show you how to fry it. I'll be sure to link the video below so you can check that out. I had my dukunu in the refrigerator, so this is what it looks like the next day. And all you have to do is peel the husk off. But when you do that, you have to be really careful because sometimes the husks tend to stick between the dukunu and you don't want to break your dukunu. In my opinion, the only thing better than dukunu is fried dukunu. Oh my gosh, I love fried dukunu. If you haven't tried fried dukunu before, you are missing out. Like I said in my last video, these are mini dukunu, but if I was making a bigger dukunu like we usually make it in Belize, you would definitely have to cut it lengthwise, just because you don't want to fry up such a big piece of corn. You want it crispy, so the thinner it is, the better it is. But I don't have to cut these because they're small already, and if I cut them they might break, so just fry them the way they are. So with my stove set between medium to medium high heat, I'm going to put some canola oil in my pan and let that get heat up, and then I'm going to add my dukunu to it. You just have to fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. All you want is a nice golden brown dukunu. A lot of people that I know that makes dukunu say they have never tried fried dukunu before. And all I could think about is those people have never lived, because fried dukunu is the best thing ever. I like to be extra careful when I turn them because the oil tends to splash out, so I'm just using 2 spatulas here. They make life much easier and I don't have to worry about getting burned. I wanted them a little bit more browner, so I'm just turning them over on the next side. I'm going to break a couple in half so you can see what they look like on the inside. Oh man, when I make fried dukunu, I never eat it as a meal again. It's always a snack. And by the way, eat them when they're hot because they're better when they're hot. Anyway, I hope you treat yourself and make some fried dukunu. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.